These are PETOX oscillating tool blades that were sent to me by the brand to make this video, but that never changes what I say in my reviews. And these are a remarkable value with 159 pieces in the kit at an incredible price. And there are a lot of oscillating tool blade kits out there with similar specs selling for 2, 3, or 4 times the cost per unit as compared to this one. So a lot of DIYers and professionals alike are realizing what a terrific set this PETOX brand is offering. You get a huge variety of blades that are suitable for cutting most materials, but you need to know which blade is which because they aren't all the same. Yes, there are different shapes, but that's not the first thing you should be looking at when making a cut. Because if you use the wrong blade, it'll rapidly lose its teeth and it'll build up friction and heat and maybe even scorch your materials. The key is knowing your materials you're cutting and which blade is best for which job, which we'll get into right now. So let's put it out there. There are 3 major types of materials used to make oscillating tool blades. First, there's high carbon steel blades, also known as HCS. Then there are titanium coated blades. And then there are carbide blades. And this set has the first of those 2, which will handle most jobs. The majority of the blades in this kit are the HCS blades, which are absolutely your workhorses. These are perfect for drywall or wood or plastic, and they're marked wood or plastic just to keep us all in check. They're affordable and durable when used on the right materials, but they aren't ideal for harder materials like metal. But if you do have to cut some metal, that's okay because they also include these gold-tipped titanium blades. They're harder than the HCS blades, so they can withstand harder materials. Of course, they can cut wood and plastic also, but they can also work on softer metals like copper and aluminum. You'll also notice that these indicate wood and metal on the blade itself to help you remember which is which. And for the hardest metals out there, like concrete anchors, for example, you may want to look into carbide blade kits. Carbide blades are more expensive and they're not included in this set. Now, most of the blades we have here are 40 millimeters long, which is about 1.5 inches. You get dual marks on each blade, so you can always know how deep your plunge cuts are in inches or in millimeters. And you get straight blades, you get narrow blades, you get some of these very wide triangular blades, you get some of these T-shaped wide blades, and you even get circular blades like this one. Now, all the blades in this kit have a fine tooth cutting edge. This allows for good cutting speed and control. You also get different sanding heads with sandpaper inserts, and the sandpaper comes in different grits so you can sand quick and rough or slow and fine. There are also these scraper heads that work like a putty knife to quickly scrape away materials. And then there are even some of these specialty blades with stainless steel mounts that are a bit of a mystery to me. They say that they're for wood and metal, but I'm not sure what they're actually made of and whether they're good for softer metal or can tackle something harder. One of the key things to know here is that these use a universal mount, and nothing is truly universal, so you also get some adapters to work with almost any tool. And unless your tool uses a fine Starlock or a fine supercut mount, you should be okay. And for a DIYer like me, these are perfect. I can do what I need to do confidently and economically because we should always choose the right tool for the job instead of the most expensive tool for the job. So whether you're cutting drywall or wood or plastic or softer metals, these PETOX blades are the right tool for the job, and they're the smarter choice. And if you're like me, you originally bought an oscillating tool, and the more you use it, the more you find uses for it. They're so incredibly versatile. And what you quickly realize is that you go through a few blades, and you also need a variety of blade types that are specialized for the projects you're tackling. Because sometimes you need to make a plunge cut in drywall, and other times you need to cut a nail or cut PVC pipe or even release a hose collar that's bonded to a spigot. So you can't have enough blades and enough different kinds of blades. And with these PETOX blades, they don't cost much and they don't take up much space. So it just makes sense to have a few extras with a few different designs so you're always prepared for whatever you're tackling. And I hope this short video has helped you decide if they're the right tool for the jobs you'll be tackling. And thanks for watching.